After the blistering heat we've had here in the Louisville area for the past week, I decided to come outside and do a pocket dump today. It's fairly nice out this evening. It's a little bit before 7 p.m. Saturday, June 28th. Temperatures are in the high 70s. Lots of clouds rolling by, but partly sunny as well. So I decided to come outside, shoot this in natural light, and just kind of go through these one at a time and say a word about each one of them. A little bit more than just a what you totin' short. And of course everybody, or most people that is, are familiar with the pocket crosses from Dwayne Clark at Clark's Kentucky Knives. I had someone ask me in the comments on one of my shorts what this item was, and so I told him what it was in the shorts, but I decided to tell a little bit more about it. This is a lighter that I bought back in the mid-70s in a shop in Annapolis, Maryland. The name of the shop was Hats in the Belfry. It was a hat shop, and they had these lighters there for sale. And I picked one up, and over the years I carried it quite a bit. That was back in the days when I was a smoker. And I didn't think anything about it, and in later years thought, since it was made in Japan, it was no big deal. Thought it was just a cheap knockoff of something. And the brand name on it is called Smokestone, and it's called Brass No. 5. Now this looked on the outside like this on the inside before I did a little polish on it a couple of weeks ago, before I started putting it in my shorts. Works really well. And I just wanted to show that, say a little bit about it. I looked these up online, and as it turns out, these are worth about, it seems like I remember seeing them in the neighborhood of $40, $50, something like that. This is one of my little Parker Huskies that I did some jigging and burning on a while back. This was my first attempt at jigging, so you can make fun of it if you want to. I don't mind. It ain't that great. Olight, always have one of those in my pocket. This is an Ozark Trail, gifted to me by Big Jim at Barlow Brigade. This has a lock. Let's see, I got that backwards. The lock is to keep it from opening. Can't deploy the blade as long as this is forward. That's back. Then you got a flipper, and it is an assisted opener. Pretty slick knife. Aluminum handles. Pretty nice knife. And this is my Aaron Williams AW Customs Crazy Horse leather knife sheath. Carrying a dark blue synthetic case trapper. This is a 2024. In honor of Saturday Stagger Day, got a Rosecraft Stinking Creek sow belly, stag handles, awesome Rosecraft. I've got roseitis. I think that's what Big Jim calls it. Or roseotosis. You'll have to let me know on that, Jim. Goes along with Kershawitis. You know what, though? I'm not carrying a Kershaw today. Ain't that weird? And don't think I've ever shown this one. This is basically a new knife. This is a 2017. I bought this new at Cabela, and I've had it pretty much put up because I didn't want to mess it up. I've gotten it out and I've handled it quite a bit. I've carried it a little. Haven't used it much. There's the Tang stamp. This knife here is a beauty. Very nice one. As you can tell from the sheath, it hasn't had a lot of carry time. I think that covers it all. If you like what you saw, leave me a comment, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, y'all.